Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to open Trading 212 account step-by-step guide. So what you want to do is, from the Trading 212 menu, go to Open Account. And here we will select a country of residence first, click that and press Next. And then it will ask you to choose an account type. So there'll be some different types of accounts that we can open depending on what you want to trade and how you want to trade. So I will open a CFD account. So create your signing details and then press Create an Account. After that, your account will be created. There will be following steps that you need to do in order to activate your account. For example, setting up your account, making sure your account is verified, verifying your identity, and then adding funds by adding your preferred payment method into Trading 212. So go ahead and verify your email address, press done. And after that, you need to put in some personal details, so go ahead and do that. After that, you will need to continue putting in the rest of your details, but that is how you open an account. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.